The question is how to create a melody and what are the melody techniques and what are the embellishments overall means and what are the what from what kind of the musical elements is a melody came from and from the different perspective and from the different centuries of the authors and the authorities, uh, I try to give an idea about to encrypt or to resolve the understanding of the main stream of their thoughts or perspectives. For example, like the Bill Dobbins in the jazz music, in his contemporary jazz pianist book, is a synthesis of the uh, books and the music authorities from the previous centuries, right, and the worldwide. So they are is in the jazz music. Bill Dobbins and the fellows or the other people which who is understanding and assuming like him have a own art of way of the thinking and uh, accepting the melody as the rhythms and in their forms and arts. So they are making a synthesis. Uh, it's not like mathematics, but it's their own art and way. And so, like passing tones, neighbor tones, appoggiaturas, and the rhythmic elements of the music and the principles of this development of the melody, how he thinks different from the previous people are like patterns of ascending four note scales, and pattern of descending thirds, ascending thirds, inversion of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scale sequences, four note diminished scale patterns, four note pentatonic patterns, and chromatically embellished minor and major triads, pattern of seven inversions, four note diminished scale patterns, rhythmic repetition, melodic repetition, and melodic repetition with constant triplets, how they form and from which elements is a melody come together and transforming to the rhythm on the other hand, and rhythmic repetition, cross rhythms from the different elements of the rhythm, sequence in ascending diatonic triads, sequence in ascending scale degrees, sequence in ascending minor thirds, descending scales, sequences in the ascending thirds or the scale steps, sequences in ascending minor thirds, sequences in the descending diatonic thirds, sequences in descending minor thirds, sequences in descending scale steps or ascending fifths. Such kind of things and are the subjects of the musical elements and like musical form and musical dictation. If you would like to search with these words, you will see in the Google Books, for example, the elder books of the from the the art of melody creation, musical dictation. Search with these words better. Musical dictation and the musical form or Formenlehre, and so we can have an idea about where does the melodies overall coming from and in the history and what is a melody mean? Is it a and then we can develop a better overview and understanding like before learning the composition, musical composition from the previous centuries, musical authorities, and before creating the anything that works, or then we can understand the basic and associative points of the logical thinking. So musical logic is a part of the musical sentence logic of the musical sentences is a part of the musical harmony, of course, and of course a musical uh, music theory is even associated with in the composition. But so melodic or motivic or melodic diminution, uh, initial motives, and intervallic diminution, combining rhythmic and intervallic diminution, motivic or melodic augmentation, intervallic augmentation, and diminution and augmentation and the embellishments, the spatial effects, etc., and so on. So the melodies are not results of any kind of spatial creative forces or any unknown, unconnected way of thinking, and but it has the techniques, and these techniques is not created in the 21st century rather than in the 19th century and the 20th century, and uh, and we do not, though, as the Bill Dobbins say, we do not continuously flow of the eight notes, no matter how interesting the horizontal or vertical line may be. We are not creating lines uh, only from a single mathematical method. So music is not mathematics. It's a human science, not a nature science. So, but we have in forms and musical forms and uh, elements of the music. We have musical dictations and aesthetics even, uh, and catechisms and canons and fugues, counterpoints, uh, harmony rules, grammar rules, and idea techniques and ideas behind the creation of the melody, and it's not only from stay with the counterpoint rules or basic musical composition rules the melodies are being produced. We have more than fugues and canons and the basic composition and harmony rules. We have the elements of the music, which like dynamics, articulation, tempo, and properties of the music, and that we can. I think this is the art of creating melodies through the centuries is not only a musicology subject to further researchings or readings, but even the philosophical, the history of the thoughts should be inspected, because to understand the 19th century and the 20th century, Kant, Foucault, and Hegel, the musical understand musical dictation and form, and it's not the only from vocal or from the orchestrations or the instruments or the phrases. It's not only a art of creating phrases. You may even find books from the 70 years or 90 years old books or 100 years old public domain books about the techniques of the art of phrasing. So phrasing, musical dictation, musical logic, counterpoint, musical form are the files to research how the melodies are being created with the historical techniques and the thoughts and the environmental elements behind this. So we are not creating the melodies in an abstracted or independent studio like from the economy and the general life and the cities or what's or the other things independent isolated island like utopic places, or shopping mall like or the isolated from the time and relations and all other things. We are not creating in our imaginary world, but we are creating the melodies in the real world to the target audience, to not to anywhere. So we are not creating the melody independent from the existing relations and the consequences in the real life, but we are creating the melodies to the target audiences because we should sell the melodies either live with instruments or vocals or created from our computers. So the music in general, the rhythm is in the melody, and rhythm and melody and harmony make music from one side. So the vocals, musical composition, arrangement, voice, different instruments. So music copying, the art of music copying. So if you would like to find out what are from the shortest way to create the melodies, you should not ask to the AI, or if you would not know where to go, we may not have a map or logical points to connect and create a walking path to find to hit our goals or achieve our researching goals. So the creating the melody creating techniques are not abstract or in mystery, especially if you would think the art of creating phrases, the rhythmic elements, art of creating the rhythmic elements to this, due to the stream of the thought and due to the place and the century, then we may have an idea about them, and musical dictation, musical logic, sentence logic, musical form teachings, and voice leading, for example, learning voice leading, counterpoint, chords and scales, rhythmic elements, and phrasing. Those are the music's other properties like accents, appoggiaturas, and like the tempo and dynamics and the things will guide us to achieve the create a melody in the jazz music. Either with piano or not without the piano. We may read the Bill Dobbins book and have a basic understanding about what are the things in this study of file, and then we may read the further centuries books about the musical form, dictation, and phrasing, and we can develop then good techniques to develop the better melodies than the others. Thank you.